Hello everyone, today we're taking you to the Idana Mata Temple, located in the Pali district of Rajasthan. This temple isn't just a place of faith, it's also a hub of mysteries and miracles. The amazing events that happen here even make scientists scratch their heads. It's believed that Idana Mata is a form of Mother Durga herself. For centuries, devotees have come here with their wishes, and the mother fulfills them all. But what makes this temple special is its mysterious nature. Local people say that whenever a crisis is about to hit the village or nearby areas, strange sounds are heard from the temple. It's as if the mother is warning her devotees. People have experienced loud roars coming from the temple many times. And within a few days, a major event happens in the village, like a famine, an epidemic, or a natural disaster. But the amazing thing is that the temple and its devotees always remain safe. The mother's warning alerts people in time. From a scientific point of view, it's hard to understand these sounds. Sometimes they're called atmospheric pressure, and sometimes the effect of natural sounds. But the villagers and devotees believe this is not the result of science but the blessing of Mother Idana. This temple is a symbol of the belief that the mother protects her true devotees. Friends, the Idana Mata Temple is not just a religious site, but an amazing blend of mysteries and faith. It reminds us that when science fails to provide answers, faith itself shows the way. Hail Mother!